Hello, and welcome to Provider's Friend Home Care Aide Training. We will review the Home Care Aide training in this video. Become work ready with a few easy lessons. Discover a rewarding career. Home Care Aide Training. We will review what is the rationale for the development and implementation of the training. We'll give you a brief description of the training. We'll talk about how to engage employers for job placement. And then we'll talk a little bit about challenges and success. Rationale for the development and implementation of the training. Baby boomers. Baby boomers, or people born between 1945 and 1960, are living longer and healthier lives. Many no longer need medical facilities like nursing homes. Older adults are choosing to live at home or in non-medical facilities like residential care homes. With this new trend, there is less need for clinicians like CNAs or medical assistants and more of a demand for caregivers or home care aides. Students are trained to be home care aides and they also learn useful clinical skills. Now, let's talk about a brief description of the training. Students learn how to provide personal support for daily living activities to clients in clients' home and or residential care homes or facilities. Students learn about common diseases, infections, chronic illnesses and disorders found in a residential care setting. Students learn techniques to assist clients with self-management and activities like bathing, dressing, hygiene care, food preparation, exercise, and social interaction. Students also learn how to assist clients with medication, how to take blood pressure. They receive certifications in first aid and CPR. They learn how to safely transfer clients from their beds or wheelchairs and how to use a Hoyer or patient lift. Caregivers are needed in agencies all over the U.S. Although this particular training was developed for California residents, it can be used anywhere in the U.S. Students have their choice of employment with licensed residential care facilities, private home care agencies, or county in-home support services called IHSS. Because our training is approved by the state of California, employers are invited to send their employees to our training to get continuing education and training. We've had several employers like Visiting Angels, Right at Home, and Jackson House. We had them send their staff to our programs for training. Contact us about how to talk to local employers for job placement. One of the greatest challenges we have is a person doesn't have a Social Security number. If you don't have a Social Security number, that means you can't register with the state of California as a home care aide. Not enough caregivers to meet the local demands. At any given time, we have hundreds of jobs available because there are so many jobs for home care aides. One of our successes, a student got an increase from $14 to $19 per hour because she had a medication administration certificate from our training program. One of our students who had been in the U.S. only 6 months was hired at Right at Home Home Care Agency. The director of the agency called to tell us how impressed he was with our students' training and requested to be on our list of recruiters so he could hire more graduates from the training program. And he has hired many of our training graduates in the last year. Job placement for students who complete the training is about 98%. Students usually get the employer and the hours they want. If a student successfully completes the training, gets their TB clearance, and registers with the state as a home care aide, then guess what? They get a job. States other than California may not require state registration for individuals to work as caregivers. The Home Care Aide Training Workbook provides very visual and easy to follow learning modules that prepares you to work in the home care industry. You can use the Home Care Aide Training Workbook independently without attending a Home Care Aide training course. We have a special training, Workbook 2, for individuals who are deaf or have a hearing impairment and want to become caregivers. Our Home Care Aide Training Workbook Instructor Manual is designed for teachers to train a group of students to become home care aides. The instructor manual comes with the Home Care Aide Training Workbook, a training binder with an instructor guide, and a PowerPoint training presentation that includes review questions and skill practice tests. To contact us, you can go to our website at www.providersfriend.com. Send us an email at providersfriend@yahoo.com or give us a call at 510-524-8024. Become work ready with a few easy lessons. We hope to hear from you soon.